Welcome to this tutorial on understanding your Betterment performance report. Betterment is a popular investment platform that offers diversified investment portfolios and personalized financial advice. The performance report is a valuable tool that helps you track your investment progress and make informed decisions. To access your performance report, log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Portfolio section. Here you will find an overview of your investments, including the total value, returns, and allocation. Step 1 is to review the overall performance of your portfolio. Look for the total return percentage, which indicates how much your portfolio has grown or decreased in value over a specific time period. Compare this to the benchmark returns, which represent the performance of a relevant market index. Step 2 is to analyze the performance of each individual investment in your portfolio. Betterment provides a detailed breakdown of each asset, including the return, allocation, and fees. This helps you identify top-performing investments and areas for improvement. Step 3 is to evaluate your portfolio's risk and return profile. Betterment provides a risk score, which indicates the potential for losses or gains in your portfolio. Use this information to adjust your investment strategy and ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Step 4 is to review the fees associated with your investments. Betterment charges a management fee, which is a percentage of your portfolio's value. Understand how these fees impact your returns and consider ways to minimize costs. Step 5 is to use the performance report to inform your investment decisions. If you notice underperforming investments, consider rebalancing your portfolio or exploring alternative options. If you are unsure about any aspect of your performance report, consult with a financial advisor or contact Betterment support. Best practices for using your Betterment performance report include regularly reviewing your portfolio, adjusting your investment strategy as needed, and maintaining a long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and stay focused on your financial goals. In conclusion, your Betterment performance report is a powerful tool for tracking your investment progress and making informed decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your investment strategy and achieve your financial goals.